Hello everyone, today I'm here at Coupons website as usual, and you guys know that Coupons is giving you discounted coupons and promo code, so you can use it on your online shopping and get discounted up to 50%. So today I'm going to talk about MLB coupons and their promo code. So write the name over here, MLB shop coupons, and search it, and then store page comes, click on it, and then the deals appear here. You can see 24% off, 60% off, 3% off, 3% off, 10% off. So click on get deal, and when you click on get deal, you will get code here. Copy it and use it on your orders. So